Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this design to your WordPress website. So here we can see we have this connect with us button, and if I hover over this button, we have all the social media links displayed over here, and we also have the animation for the icons and the text. Now we have designed this from scratch using HTML and CSS in one of the previous videos. I will leave the link in the description of this video, and I will also leave the link of the source code. So in this video, I'll show you how to add this to your WordPress website. So let's get started. Right here, I have logged into my WordPress dashboard, and we need to add this to all the pages of our website. So let me just open the website. So I'll just hover over this and click on visit site. And this is how our website looks right now. Now let's go ahead and add the design right here on the top right corner. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to install a plugin called Custom CSS and JS. So just go over here to plugins and search for simple custom CSS and JS, and just click on install and activate. And once you activate the plugin, it will appear over here. And here you have to add the HTML and CSS code. So first of all, let's add the CSS. So I'll just click on add custom CSS. And here you can name it whatever you want. So I'll just name it connect button CSS. And let's delete all of this from here. And now for running this WordPress website locally, I'm using this tool called Local by Flywheel. So you can just download it for free and install it on your system. And once you do that, you can just create a new WordPress website by clicking on this plus icon. Right now, let's go to our source code, and let's go to the style.css file. And let's copy all the CSS from here, and let's paste it over here. And on the right side, we have some options. So let's set it as internal, and we will add the CSS to the head section. And here we have to select in front end. And let's go ahead and click on publish. And the CSS has been added. Now let's add the HTML. So let's click on this button called add custom HTML. And now here we can add the HTML code. So first of all, I'll just add a title. So I'll just type connect button HTML. And let's delete all of this. And let's go back to our source code. Let's go to the HTML file, and let's copy this HTML code from here. And let's paste it over here. Now here on the right side, we have these options. So we have to select after the body tag. So here we can see we have added this HTML after the body tag. Here in where inside, we have to select in front end. And now the next thing we need to do is we need to add the links of the images. So right now it is set to images / the image name. Now we need to upload this image to our WordPress website and then get the link and paste it over here. So let's go over here to media, and let's click on add new media file. And here you can add your images. Now here are the 3 images that we need to use in our design. So let's drag and drop it over here. Now here we can see it says that we are not allowed to upload SVG files. Now to fix this, let's go ahead and install a plugin. So let's go over here to add new plugin, and we'll install a plugin called SVG support. So here's the plugin. So let's click on install now, and let's click on activate. And let's go over here to settings. Now here we have a lot of settings that we can change. So right now it is set to restrict SVG uploads to administrator. I'll just keep it as it is. So we'll just leave all these settings as it is. And now let's go back to media, and let's click on add new media, and let's drag and drop our files over here. And now we can see that the SVG files are uploaded. Right now, let's go ahead and get the links and paste it inside our code. So first of all, let's get the link of Facebook. So let's click on Facebook, and this is the link. So let's copy this link from here. You can also click on copy URL to clipboard and paste it over here. And let's do the same for the other icons. So the next one is Twitter. So let's close this and let's open Twitter. And let's copy this URL and let's paste it over here. And we'll do the same for LinkedIn. Alright, that's it with the HTML. Now let's go ahead and click on publish. And let's go back to our website and let's reload this page. And here we can say we have the connect with us button, and if I hover over this, we have the animation working alright. Now we have some problems in the styling, so let's fix all of them. The first thing we need to do is we need to increase the height of this container division at the beginning. And then we need to add some space between these social media links, and we also need to change the font size of these. So let's do all of that. So I'll just right click over here and go to inspect, and let's go to the container division, and here we can see that we have set a max height, and right now it is set to 12. So let's increase it, and I think 58 pixels looks alright. So let's change the max height of the socials container to 58 pixels. So let's go back to the CSS. Let's open the CSS code, and here instead of max height of 12 pixels, let's change this to 58 pixels. Now we need to make these changes because there are some styles added by the theme also. So we need to adjust our CSS according to the theme CSS. Now here we need to change the font size. So let's right click and go to inspect, and this is the paragraph tag which is inside the social icons. So let's try a font size of 16 pixels, and I think that looks alright. So let's go back, and here let's type socials container social icons P, and let's set the font size to 16 pixels, and let's update this. Let's go back to our website and let's reload. And now we need to add some space between these links. So for that we need to select the anchor tag, and let's add some padding. So here let's tap padding, and let's try 6 pixels top and bottom and 0 for left and right. And this is how it looks. So I think this looks alright. So let's add a padding of 6.0. So we need to add it to the anchor tag. So here for the anchor tag, let's type padding 6 pixels 0, and let's update this. Right, now let's go back to our website and let's reload this page. And now let's hover over this, and now we can see that everything looks alright. So now you can go ahead and add the links of your social media pages over here. So if you go over here to the HTML code, here instead of the hash, you can add the links of your social media accounts. And if you want to add a new social media account, you can just copy this anchor tag and paste it down here and change these details. Now you can also go ahead and change the positioning of this button. So right now it is set to the top right corner. So if you go to the CSS, here we can see that we have set it to top right. If you want to set it, for example, to this top left corner, you can just change right to left. And let's update this, and let's go back to our website and let's reload this page. Now we can see that we have the button on the left side. So that's basically how you can add this connect with us button to your WordPress website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.